WhatsApp announced they will soon ending support for certain devices. WhatsApp no longer support the following platforms: phones, Android 2.1 and Android 2.2, Windows Phone 7, iPhone 3GS and iOS 6, BlackBerry OS, and BlackBerry 10, Nokia S40, Nokia Symbian S60. These platforms do not offer the kind of capabilities. If you use one of these affected mobile devices, it's recommended to upgrading to a newer Android running OS 2.3 Plus, a Windows Phone 8 Plus, or an iPhone running iOS 7 Plus, before the end of 2016 to continue using WhatsApp. Once you have one of these devices, simply install WhatsApp, and verify your phone number on the new device. To continue using WhatsApp, there is currently no option to transfer your chat history between platforms. However, the option will provide to send your chat history attached to an email.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.